So here at Watkins Glen, there's about 20 Ginetta G45 GTA cars. That's a spec GTA race specific for these cars. What's nice is that Ginetta corporate itself is here, and there are all kinds of parts. Basically, they're telling me that from all the parts that they brought, this is the under trace, front clip, rear clip, doors, spare wheels, tires over there. They got a whole trailer and a van of stuff. They're basically saying that they can put together two cars outside of having a chassis. So if you go into here, into their trailer, we got a transmission over here. We got uprights. We've got a steering rack down there. We got all kinds of hoses, rotor heads, braces, shocks, air intake duct, exhaust, manifolds, mufflers, a wing, a chassis brace of some kind, brake ducts, axles, springs, brake calipers, a little compressor thing, I don't know what that is for, starter motor, muffler, tank of some kind, I have no idea what that is. They've got everything, and then they got consumables in this van over here. Now, Ginetta is part of TMI. TMI is the company that made Ariel Adams in America. But this is really cool shit. They even got headlights that are not real headlights, because these cars don't have headlights, they have taillights. But as you see, they brought everything. So factory support when you're racing is kind of a big thing. Here we've got suspension components with an upright. I wonder if this is a used one maybe, I don't know. This is a side piece, a door. This is the man responsible for selling all the parts. Say hi.
How's it going?
And this is the back of the tub for the car. Basically this part, this is it. Rear under tray, front one. I believe this is the front clip that holds the radiator and that kind of stuff. So pretty amazing stuff that they brought here to support all these cars, and again, a dozen more that are back there.